From bad to worse, navigating through troubles in English. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a very interesting and widely used English phrase, go from bad to worse. This phrase is a treasure in the English language, used to describe situations that start off badly and somehow manage to become even worse. Stick around as we unpack its meaning, usage, and dive into some examples to help you master it. The phrase, go from bad to worse, is used to describe a situation that was already undesirable and has deteriorated further, becoming even more unpleasant or difficult. It's a vivid expression that paints a clear picture of progressive negativity, something that unfortunately, many of us can relate to at one point or another. While the exact origin of the phrase is difficult to pinpoint, it's been a part of the English language for centuries, evolving with usage over time. Synonyms for go from bad to worse include go downhill, deteriorate, and take a turn for the worse. These alternatives can be used interchangeably depending on the context, but all convey the idea of a decline in quality or condition. To fully grasp the usage of go from bad to worse, let's look at some examples. After the company lost its biggest client, things went from bad to worse with layoffs and budget cuts. The weather forecast went from bad to worse, predicting not just rain but a full-blown storm. Her relationship with her neighbor went from bad to worse after the dispute over the property line. These examples show how the phrase can be applied to various situations, from business and weather to personal relationships. When using go from bad to worse, it's important to assess the context. It's most appropriately used in formal and informal discussions alike, but choosing the right moment to express this kind of negativity needs tact. It's a powerful phrase that should be used to accurately convey the gravity of a situation rather than exaggerate minor inconveniences. Understanding and using phrases like go from bad to worse can enrich your English vocabulary and help you express complex situations with ease. We hope this video has illuminated this phrase for you, providing you with a tool to describe those not-so-great situations more vividly. Remember, language is a journey, and every phrase you learn is a step forward. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.